What's up everybody? Today I'm going to test out my first ever zipperless carry-on suitcase. And by test out, I mean that it's literally still in the box. Pull it out for the first time. All right, and my two very first impressions right off the bat is that it's a super hard outer case here. So I think it's gonna be a very sturdy suitcase. It's not gonna be easy to break. And also, of course, there's no zipper at all. It has these two little locks here that I'm gonna figure out how to use in a second. So obviously, like I've already mentioned, there's no zippers on this, only these two clasps here, and you can actually set a locking mechanism for this by looking at the instructions, but right now it's set to 000, and once you set the password, you can have it so no one else can enter this suitcase except for you, and there is locks right here where TSA agents can get into the suitcase if they need to. And I've never opened it before, so I think you squeeze the sides here, like that, and there's the reveal. And the first thing I wanted to look for here was the instructions because I want to see how that locking works. So find this little pamphlet here. It unfolds, and there is very clear guidance on how to use this locking mechanism. Now let's take a look at some sections on the inside. I can even do a little test packing. Close on one side, strap them in, tighten it, loosen it, toiletry bag, socks, even some extra shoes. Not just saying this is durable is one thing, but I actually want to test it out, take it outside, see how durable it actually is, especially against the snowy weather I'm getting right now. But right now, what I can tell, it looks pretty sturdy, the locks are good, and it has these hinges here that seem pretty stable and like it's not going to break very easily. Now it has 4 wheels, you can push it or pull it, and it opens up pretty high with this and can be adjusted as well. But of course it is a hard shell, so you can't really like adjust the size, open up extra zippers to make it bigger or smaller, but it seems like the hard shell won't break very easily if I do something like that or even drop something heavy on it. So I'm pretty happy with how it feels right now, but like I said, let's go outside in the snow. Obviously you want your suitcase to have good wheels so that they don't break and you can push it around as you're traveling. And right now it seems to be doing really well, pushing through the ice and the snow. And you can push it or you can pull it. So far I'm pretty happy how it's moving through these bumpy, icy sidewalks. I'll do a wheel check when I'm done to see if they're still going strong. Let me test it. Seems pretty durable. Let's do one last test though. Well, it didn't break. Just a little bit of snow, not a scratch. All right, I gotta go inside. I would say that it passed the durability test. It's wet, but honestly, other than that, not really even a scratch on the suitcase. All right, so those are my honest first impressions of this suitcase, the Luggex ZX series 21-inch carry-on bag that's zipperless. Overall, I honestly think it's a great suitcase, and I think I need to take a trip right now. It is so cold outside. I'm gonna pack this back up, head to the airport, and go somewhere warm. So I'll see you guys on the next video.